Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be teaching you a new formula which is cell range. It is basically in this we will basically select a range of specific number, specific cells with specific unit and apply a formula is equal to sum bracket open b2 ratio sign b7 bracket close and enter. So let's take our first example. First 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 14, 16, 17, 18. Formula bra- sum bracket open bracket open mm, for starting cell B5 C5 C5 ratio sign shift ending cell C14 C14 sum bracket close enter, and there we got our sum of cell of all the cells from C5 to C14. For Thank you guys for watching this video. I will be back with another video soon.